Do you want to smash it on Instagram? Do you find it very tedious and boring? Follow, 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 message, message, message. This is an automated system, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you. Jake, the lovely Jake here, contacted me earlier on today. Well, it was yesterday, I just got the message. And I'm just bowled over because all it is a special secret hack that you can follow and message people on automatic pilot with this secret hack. Okay, so you can follow people, you can message people, or you can follow and message people. Okay, this is a game changer. So Jake and Sid will welcome you to the actual product. There is a pro version there that is worth every penny. There are case studies. Somebody got 1,000 followers on autopilot. Sales were made of $1,800 sorry, and you can build your subscribers list at the touch of a button. This works on automatic pilot, so you click it and it does it automatically. There's no manual labor. You can sit on the beach while this works. There are 10x commissions. You can actually have a free WordPress site, and you can connect it all together, or you can go with ClickFunnels. I personally love Builderall, as you know, but Thrive, which is $30 a month about, this is free if you want to opt in with a free WordPress. Okay, so it's not going to cost you any more money. The bonuses, oh God, the bonuses are here. I've just had a look at this. And Octagon is, all you have to do, it has done for you campaigns of review sites. So as far as I can tell, you put your ClickBank ID in and it builds the sites with all your links in automatically. So as if that's not enough, the lovely Jake has told me when you buy through me and through me only, you will get Accelerate for free. Now this is high commissions. Oh, again, nobody on the planet will do a launch without beta testing it first. So these are real people. So high commissions with a simple blueprint that, again, Jake has discovered. Okay, so you don't need to sell, you don't need a website. You can do it from a mobile phone, and it's the fastest way to get big commissions. So not just that, there's more. Okay, the icing on the cake is if I go over here and find the JV doc, he has told me he's given me whoever buys it today will get the full funnel, not just the first bit, not just the second bit. You can have the done for you campaigns, the done for you funnel, and license rights. So what are you waiting for? Get this amazing product today, because I've tested it out. I've literally tested it out, and it's pretty amazing. It doesn't take long to learn, because all you have to do is install the secret hack, follow, message people automatically. This is a game changer, guys. You are going to make commissions when you buy this product. And when you buy this product from me, you will get the whole funnel of Accelerate, how to get paid recurring high ticket. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, subscribe and share this video. and I'll see you on the next one. If you want some free training on affiliate marketing, by the way, get your Rapid Profit Machine below because it's still free at the moment.